Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add story to highlights on Facebook page. Make sure to smash that like button if you find this video helpful. Back to the video. So in order to add a story to highlights on Facebook page, the first thing you want to do is to go over to your Facebook application right here, and if you click on the plus icon on the top right corner, you can see story right there. You just want to click on story, and for the sake of this video I'm going to be adding a text to the story, so I'm just going to type in Tech Help Guy, the name of the channel here, and share that to my story. Once I do that, you can see that the story has been uploaded successfully. So in order to add that story to highlights on my Facebook page, what I want to do is to understand that has just been posted. I'm going to click on view here, and in the top right corner you're going to see like a love icon. When you click on it, it's going to add that story to your highlights. You can also edit the title of the highlight to whatever you want, and once you're done with that, you just want to click on done on the top right corner, and that's it. Your story has been added to highlights. As you can see, it's written there, added to highlights, so you can visualize it here on your Facebook page, and you can add more stories to that particular highlight. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.